contactless contact. In Bhagavad Gita 5:14, the blessed Lord said, "Neither agency nor actions does the Lord create for the world, nor union with the fruits of actions, but it is nature that acts." The Supreme Self. Our attempt here is to explain not what the Supreme Self is, but what his relationship with the universe is. The Supreme Self does not create any sense of agency nor sanction any action. It does not even create any connection between the action and its correct fruit of action as is generally believed. Swami Chinmayananda says, if the reality, the self, has nothing to do with the above mentioned agency or their fruits, our life, which is nothing without them, must have no relationship at all with the self. And yet, where the self is not there, existence and activities are not possible. Therefore, there must be some relationship between the self and the not self, and here this strange contactless contact is being explained. Explanation. The other day, when I was looking in a bowl of water, I saw my face in it with my nose moving like a pendulum. Even though I surely knew that my nose was fixed, yet I saw it was moving. This was because of the movement of the water in the bowl, the reflecting medium. Similarly, the Supreme Self, which has no movement, appears to be moving when the conditioned self functions through the equipment because of the condition of the equipment. When the self functions through the matter conditionings, it assumes to itself the egocentric attitudes of agency, action, fruits, etc. The self, the Atman, never moves or is affected. My reflection can move and is affected when the reflected medium is disturbed. The Atman, when it is conditioned by matter or divine Maya, which is made up of the three gunas, appears as the ego, which becomes the enjoyer of fruits and performer of actions. Yet, where the self is not there, no existence or activities are possible. Hence, the relationship between the self and the not self is the strange contactless contact. Warning. The Supreme Self, which is the subject, has no perfect example in the world of objects. Yet, we use examples from the world of matter to indicate it. So, always remember, all examples have limitations. Example for contactless contact: router and iPad. The latter cannot function without the former, yet they have no physical contact.